Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss about some question of NP hard and NP complete related, that is part of algorithm. In this question may ask in GATE, UGC NET and in NILET exam also. Okay, so the first question is that problems that can be solved in polynomial time are known as, so option B is the correct answer. Problem that can be solved. Okay, that can be solved, that is known as a traceable polynomial in polynomial time, that is called traceable. And dash is the class of a decision problem that can be solved by non-deterministic polynomial. Here said that non-deterministic polynomial algorithm. So we know that NP, the full form of NP is that N stand for non-deterministic and P stand for polynomial. Okay, so for this reason the option A is the answer. Now the next question, problems that cannot be solved by any algorithm are called, that cannot be solved. Okay, cannot be solved, so we cannot solve, that is undecidable. Undecidable problem are cannot be solved by any algorithm. Okay, and traceable problem are that can be solved in polynomial time. Okay, and in an intraceable problem are that can be solved, cannot be solved in polynomial time, but that can be solved in exponential time, so that is called intraceable. And undecidable problem are that cannot be solved by any algorithm, and decidable problem are that which can solve by polynomial time or exceptional time. So now next question is that Euler circuit problem can be solved in O(n) square. Okay, O(n) square is the time complexity of Euler circuit, and Euler circuit are visit every edges. Okay, if there are Euler circuit present, then it count the edges. There have 3 edges. Okay, and for Hamilton circuit, that find the vertices. Okay, that it is the vertices, and this which are the relation established, that called edges. Now the next question, to which class does the Euler circuit problem belong? Euler circuit problem belongs to P class, because P class is the polynomial, because we can solve the Euler problem in polynomial time, because the time complexity is O(n) square. Now next question, halting problem is an example of undecidable problem. Okay, undecidable problem is the halting problem. How many stages of procedure does a non-deterministic algorithm consist of? It have 2 procedures. To which of the class does CNF satisfiable belong? CNF satisfiable belong to NP complete. NP complete class are CNF satisfiable. Which of the following problem is not NP complete? So Hamilton, bin, packing and partition problem all are NP complete problem, but halting problem are not NP complete problem. The problem of finding a path in a graph, visit every vertices. Here note that their vertices are exactly ones. This, for these vertices we use Hamilton path problem. Okay, Hamilton's path problem we use to find the vertices. Now to which of the following class does a CNF satisfiable problem belong? This belong in NP complete class. Okay. Now assume P not equal to NP. Which of the following is true? So answer B. NP complete, it is the NP complete union. Okay, this is the union P equal to phi. empty. Okay, that is empty part. For this reason the B option is true. If we union the NP complete with P, we get phi. Here it mentions then P not equal to NP. For this reason it is B. Answer B is the correct. Now the problem 3 set and 2 set are very popular NP complete problem. NP complete. Now this is the last question. Thank you for watching the video. If you like and subscribe my channel, then I will provide more video like this. So please subscribe my channel and like the video.